In this video, we're going to create a practice set in Google Classroom. So on the left-hand side of the Google Classroom tab, you're going to click on Resources. Then you're going to click on New Practice Set. And then it's going to create a practice set for us. So we can title it at the top or at the top of the practice set itself. But right now, we are going to import a practice set from a Google quiz that we've already previously completed. Click on Import. Then we're going to look in our Google Drive and we're going to go ahead and find our Google quiz. So we're going to use this planets quiz here. Select that and then click Import. Now it's automatically going to import our questions along with our answers that we designated for the quiz in the Google quiz. Now you're going to notice at the top there's still a question there. So we're going to go to those three dots and click on that and delete that first question. It automatically creates a question when you open up a practice set for the first time. So now we have our questions and we have our selected answers. And you can see that we have both of them there. And then here at the bottom, we have one that is an open-ended question that we can grade afterwards. So now we're going to click See Suggested for Skills. So for the skills, it's giving us a suggestion to identify unique characteristics of planets in the solar system. So I'm going to select that. And then when I do that, it automatically goes and assigns resources for me. I'm going to click Dismiss here. And then you're going to see that it's created some of these videos or added some of these videos in here. I'm going to go ahead and go to the second problem and do the same thing. So we're going to search for skills and then it's going to give us a suggestion. I'm going to select that, make sure that's what I want. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like from the student side. So now we're going to try as a student. And then we're going to take a look. So we're welcome to practice sets. Let's just take a look here. You can type or you can write out your answers. You can check your answers. And then there's a light bulb that pops up. And then you can also show your work. So that's what the students will see the first time they open it up. So now we're going to select an answer to this question. So I'm going to purposely pick the wrong answer. And then I'm going to hit check. Then when I check it, it's going to tell me I need to try again. But you see this light bulb is lit up in the top right. So I'm going to click on that light bulb. And then it's going to give me a video that I can try and listen to and see if I can get the correct answer. So I'm going to watch this video and then I'm going to try another answer. And I still didn't get it right. Okay, so now I'm going to get some more help. So I'm going to move to the top here and I'm going to select extra help. So now I can watch another video and I can try again. So now I'm going to check it and I finally got it right. So now I'm going to move on to the next question. I'm going to select the answer. And again, I'm going to check my answer. And I got it right the first time, so I don't have to do any extra help. Gives me a high five. And now I'm ready to answer the last question, which is an open-ended question. And I'm going to fill that in, and the teacher will check this later. Now when I'm done, I get confetti. I'm all happy. So now I'm going to close this tab and go back to the teacher side. So now here's where I would give this quiz a name. So I'm going to go ahead and title it. Let's call it Planet Quiz. And then I'm all done, so I'm going to say I'm done editing. Now, I have got it done, and I want to share it with another teacher. So I can click Share, and then I can turn on a link that I can share with the teacher. So I'm going to copy that link to send it, but let's preview it and see what that looks like. Once I go in here, as the teacher you've sent this to, I can click Make a Copy. When I click Make a Copy, that's exactly what it does. It makes a copy for myself. So if I want to make any changes, it is made on my copy and not yours.